In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cartoonize in BeFunky. We'll walk through the exact path inside the editor so you can turn any photo into a fun, stylized cartoon in just a few clicks, with a few tips along the way to help you get the best results. Start by heading to the BeFunky dashboard. From here, choose Photo Editor. This opens the main workspace where you'll do all of your editing. Once the editor loads, bring your image into the canvas. Click Open at the top, then select Computer and choose the photo you want to transform. If you're deciding which image to use, pick something clear and well lit. High-resolution photos with distinct edges, like portraits with good contrast or landmarks against the sky, tend to cartoonize especially well. With your photo on the canvas, look to the left side of the screen. If you don't see the tool menu, simply move your mouse to the left edge to reveal it. Open the Artsy section. This is where BeFunky keeps its creative effects, and it's exactly where you'll find what we need. Inside Artsy, click on Cartoonize. You'll see a panel of styles appear, each offering a slightly different look. Some emphasize bold outlines, others smooth colors for a comic book vibe, and some go for a painterly finish. Now it's time to choose a cartoon style. Click through the options and watch how your image changes with each selection. Take a moment to compare how the outlines look around facial features, hair, and background elements. If a style makes fine details too busy, try one with softer shading. If your subject blends into the background, opt for a version with stronger edges. Many of the cartoonized variations include intensity or detail sliders. Use these to fine-tune the effect. Dialing down detail can smooth skin and reduce noise in portraits, while increasing it helps landscapes and architecture keep texture and structure. If there's a preview toggle or compare option available, use it to flip between the original and the effect so you can judge clarity and contrast accurately. Once you land on a look that matches your photo and your aesthetic, you've successfully cartoonized your image. Remember, a clean, well-exposed photo will always give you a better starting point, and subtle adjustments often make the difference between a good effect and a great one. That's all there is to it. Open your photo, head to Artsy, pick Cartoonize, and choose the style that brings your image to life.